Industry standard and best practices in the HOA industry dictate that a termite inspection and local treatment should be performed for all HOA common areas once a year. Knowing the following will help you find and interview the right vendor and will maximize your ROI when acquiring a community-wide termite control program. Termite control is not like general pest control for ants, spiders, roaches, etc. Termite control needs to be done only once a year and is not done by monthly blanket sprays like you would see done for ants, spiders, etc. Termites threaten the structural integrity of entire buildings, not just in the units that see evidence or symptoms of a termite infestation. For that reason, in most condo communities, termite control for all interior spaces and exterior spaces falls under the responsibility of the HOA. However, each HOA is different, and to be sure, you should consult your community's CC&Rs. Based on your CC&Rs, you should have a plan in place to have a licensed termite inspector access all of the HOA common areas and interiors, attic spaces, and crawl spaces once a year. Accurate Termite and Pest Control has been offering termite control programs to HOAs for over 20 years. We've noticed that the average cooperation rate of homeowners providing access for interior termite inspections and treatments is roughly 70%. Some communities do achieve 100%, but if your community has not been consistent with yearly maintenance program, it would not be realistic to expect that your HOA will achieve higher than average participation. The termite control vendor you hire should include in their proposal 100% of the community. Be careful not to sign a contract that leaves room for the vendor to charge more because participation was greater than expected. The warranty offered should be for at least a year, and there should not be additional trip charges for inspections or treatments done in the common areas within the 12 months of that warranty. When requesting bids for your community's termite control, make it clear if the bid should include unit interiors or not. That's not something that should fluctuate based on different vendors' opinions or recommendations. That is dictated by CC&Rs. Be sure that the bid includes the cost for both inspections and treatments. If a vendor does not know how to bid local treatments based on an exterior assessment and general construction information, they are not a skilled wholesaler and therefore not likely to return the best value at the purchasing level of an HOA. It would be like buying 10 bananas at a 7-Eleven versus Costco. There are many termite control companies experienced in the HOA industry that can provide a bid that is inclusive of both termite inspections and local treatments within one price. Lastly, be sure that your vendor will provide a detailed report that will not only include findings of termite infestation and areas treated, but it should give you detailed information including location, lumber type, measurements, and lineal feet for any structurally damaged wood found during the community-wide inspection. Your vendor should be willing to provide a detailed scope of work for damaged wood that you could take and have general contractors and construction companies follow for competitive bids. You get the most value when more units participate. Watch this video for tips on maximizing participation in termite control for HOAs. Contact one of our specialized HOA reps. You can reach us at 1-844-GOT-ANTS.